Do your customers ever get lost in a never-ending loop of ringing phones, bouncing from one extension to another, only to be met with a frustrating voicemail or an unanswered line? If you've experienced the pain of missed calls, disgruntled clients, and a chaotic inbound communication system, then you know the struggle is real. What if there was a way to streamline your incoming calls, ensuring every customer reaches the right person every time without the hassle? Today, we're diving deep into the world of RingCentral, and more specifically, we're going to unlock the power of call queues. This isn't just about making your phones ring more efficiently. It's about transforming your customer service, boosting team productivity, and ensuring you never miss another crucial opportunity. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to setting up and optimizing call queues in RingCentral, turning your call handling from a headache into a finely tuned operation. So what exactly is a call queue? Think of it like a virtual waiting room for your callers. Instead of being shunted to an unavailable line, they're held in a queue, listening to hold music or informative messages until an agent becomes free. This is especially vital for businesses with high call volumes, multiple departments, or teams that handle specific types of inquiries. Imagine a sales department where calls are routed to the next available rep, or a support team where complex issues are directed to specialized agents. That's the magic of call queues. They reduce caller abandonment, improve first call resolution, and ultimately, enhance the overall customer experience. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting them up, let's quickly understand the key benefits. First, increased efficiency. Your agents aren't wasting time manually transferring calls or playing phone tag. Second, improved customer satisfaction. No more frustrated callers, just seamless connections. Third, better workload distribution. Calls are evenly spread amongst your team, preventing burnout and ensuring everyone is productive. And finally, enhanced reporting. RingCentral provides robust analytics on call queue performance, allowing you to identify trends, optimize staffing, and make data-driven decisions. All right, enough talk. Let's get into the RingCentral portal and start building some call queues. First things first, you'll need to log into your RingCentral online account as an administrator. Once you're in, navigate to the phone system section. You'll see a menu on the left side. Look for call queues and click on it. If you don't see call queues, you might need to check your RingCentral plan, as this feature is typically available on most standard and premium plans. Now, let's create a new call queue. Click on the New Call Queue button. The first thing you'll need to do is give your call queue a name. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies its purpose, like sales team, customer support, or technical assistance. This will help you and your team quickly understand what calls are being routed where. Next, you'll assign an extension number to this call queue. This is the internal number that your team members can dial to reach the queue directly, and it can also be the destination for calls coming from your auto attendant or IVR system. RingCentral will usually suggest the next available extension, but you can change it if you have a specific numbering scheme in mind. Now comes the fun part, adding members to your call queue. These are the agents who will be receiving calls routed through this queue. You can add individual users, extensions, or even other call queues if you have a more complex routing strategy. Simply select the users from your list and add them to the queue. You can also specify the order in which agents receive calls, which brings us to the next crucial setting, the call distribution method. RingCentral offers several call distribution methods, each with its own advantages. Let's break them down. First, there's simultaneous. This is exactly what it sounds like. The call rings all available agents in the queue at the same time. The first agent to pick up gets the call. This is great for fast response times and ensuring calls are answered quickly. Second, we have rotational. With rotational, calls are distributed evenly among agents. If Agent A gets the first call, Agent B gets the second, Agent C gets the third, and so on. This ensures a fair distribution of workload and prevents any single agent from being overwhelmed. Third is longest idle. This method routes the call to the agent who has been idle for the longest period. It's fantastic for maximizing agent utilization and ensuring that agents who have just finished a call are given a brief breather before the next one. Fourth, fixed order. This allows you to set a specific order in which agents receive calls. The call will ring the first agent, then the second, and so on until someone picks up. This is useful if you have agents with different levels of expertise or specific roles. Choose the distribution method that best suits your team's workflow and your customer service goals. Once you've selected your distribution method, you'll want to configure your call handling settings. This is where you define what happens if no agent is available to answer the call. You can set a ring time, how long the call will ring before moving to the next step. You can also decide what happens if the call isn't answered after the ring time. Send to voicemail. This is a common option. You can set up a dedicated voicemail box for the call queue. Forward to another extension or external number. You can send the call to another department, a mobile phone, or even an external answering service. Send to an auto attendant. This allows callers to navigate through your IVR system to find the right department or information. Disconnect the call. While generally not recommended, this is an option for specific scenarios. Another important setting is the hold music. RingCentral provides a selection of default hold music, but you can also upload your own custom audio files. This is a great opportunity to brand your customer experience, share important announcements, or provide estimated wait times. A well-chosen hold message can significantly improve caller patience and satisfaction. You can also enable caller ID for the agents receiving calls from the queue. This allows agents to see the caller ID of the original caller, which is essential for personalized service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.